Computer systems. A computer system is composed of three items, namely hardware, software, and people. Let's make this easy by using an analogy. Think of the computer as a car with all its parts and components, the hardware. You don't need to know about all the parts in the car in order to drive the car. The same applies to a computer. Next, think of computer software as the gas electric for a car. It enables the car to run. Likewise, computer software is what makes the computer run. Finally, to get to your destination in a car, you need a driver. The same applies to the computer. You need an operator to steer the computer. Just as the driver of a car needs to learn how to drive, you too need to learn how to use the software. All of these items are needed to install and implement a functioning computer system. A brief description of these items follows. 1. Computer hardware. Computer hardware includes the physical parts of a computer, both inside and outside the computer case. 2. Software. Software is a set of instructions, data, or programs used to operate a computer and execute specific tasks. In simpler terms, software tells a computer how to function. It's a generic term used to refer to applications, scripts, and programs that run on devices such as PCs, smartphones, tablets, and other smart devices. Without the software, computers would be useless. 3. Personnel. People are the last ingredient for a successful computer system. Without properly trained people and adequate software, the actual computer hardware is just an expensive paperweight.